Hey guys, welcome to Hops and Brews. I'm John, and let's slammer some P.O.Gs. That's a 90s reference if you didn't know what I'm talking about. It's kind of weird. It's cool. It's the millennials and all everything. It's cool. Sick. So, like I said, we're going to be talking about P.O.Gs today. Well, it's not necessarily the 90s P.O.Gs that a lot of you might remember. This is actually passion fruit orange guava. And specifically, Stone's Notorious P.O.G. This beer comes in at 4.7% ABV. An unavailable IBU, it gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.94. This beer is a culmination of a journey that began at our Stone World Bistro Gardens. The beer became an instant hit not only with our fans, but our own team as well. For those unfamiliar with the Hawaiian juice lore, P.O.G stands for the Passion Orange Guava, although it could also stand for Perfect Original Gangsta or Party On Garth. Frankly, it doesn't matter what the hell you call it. It's fresh, tropical, and damn tasty. Alright, so let's try this beer. Right away, it actually looks more like a hazy. That's pretty interesting for Berliner Weiss. The head dissipated semi-quickly. Wow, the aroma on this is just fruity, passion fruit, orange, the P.O.G, the orange guava, passion fruit. It's all there in there. Smell it. It tastes like, it smells like an air freshener. I want this as my car air freshener. That's actually really good. Okay, that's actually really good. If you are a fan of Berliner Weisses, which a Berliner Weiss is, it's going to be very light, a little weedy, a little tarty, you know, the 4.3% range, which this hits. But this is fruity at the same time. There's just a hint of wheat. Aroma has more fruit flavor in it than the actual flavor, but the flavor hits you. It's so nice. It is so perfect for warm summer weather, which it is right now. This is actually pretty fantastic tasting. Pretty refreshing. I'm enjoying this probably a little more than I should. Okay, so Stone's Notorious P.O.G. Now that name may sound familiar. This beer is actually a beer that's been around for a while with Stone. They've had this beer exclusively at their 10 Barrel location. The collaboration that they did with Jonah Ray, the actor / comedian, you may know him from something like Mystery Science Theater 3000. Now this is the first time it's been nationally released. Good thing, I think it's phenomenal beer. It's tasting fantastic. The aroma is fantastic. I've actually had a friend who said this was his first Stone beer. That's the problem. Stone beer usually doesn't taste like this. Stone beer is usually very aggressive, very hoppy, very flavorful, very bold in its flavors. This beer does that with its tropical notes, but most of the time they do it with hops. And so they're very bitter, very just punch in your face with the hops and saying, hey, you like this or not? I don't care. Now with this beer, this is passion fruit, orange, guava. Most people are probably gonna like these flavors. And it being light and it being summertime, it's fantastic. You should buy this beer. And people that are non-craft beer friends or even semi-craft beer friends, buy this beer. They'll be impressed with this. But people that are already know what craft beer is, I think they're going to be pleasantly surprised that Stone release this quality of a beer. This is actually a little step above the standard Stone beer. It's really tasty, really good. I think Stone stepped their game up in this beer. I think it's a fantastic summer beer, and I hope they continue releasing this. This is great beer. So if you find this in your local supermarket and you're looking for something to quench your palate, or have at a barbecue, or you're going to a friend's barbecue, or you're looking to beat the summer heat, pick some of this up. It comes in a 12 ounce, it comes in a 22 ounce, it comes in a 6-pack, it comes in a variety of different packs. So I encourage you to try this beer. Cheers, guys. Hey guys, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Untappd, Twitter, Facebook, all the big social media stuff. The links for those will be in the description below. Where else, right? Hit like and subscribe. You know, leave a comment or two, whether you like this beer review or not. I don't care, because I'm going to continue doing them because I'm going to drink beer. See you guys later.